Lego. Yo, what's up, guys? Mystic 16 here. Really? Another one? Bruh. Are you serious? I'm trying to shoot a vlog, and helicopters and planes keep flying over me. Are you serious? Fail. But yeah. Sorry for I haven't been uploading lately. Young Savage. Got him. Yeah, but we got a basketball game tomorrow against, no offense, but some Jewish people. But I don't know. It ought to be a fun game. Yeah, I know. They wear these things on their head, like I'm not sure what they're called or whatever, but I don't know. If you guys know what they're called, let me know down below. But they wear the things on their head, and the refs, they have to, every time, like, say one fell off or whatever, the refs would have to, like, call a timeout or whatever so they can put it back on. But or that's what I've been told. I haven't seen it yet, but it's gonna be a very funny game. But yeah, that's an update for right now. I'm not gonna say anything else really about anything. I don't know. But as far as that goes, that's what's going on tomorrow. Or depends on how I feel. If I want to upload today, I may edit it today and upload this tomorrow. So if you guys see this tomorrow, which will be today, the day you're watching would be today, which is tomorrow my time, which is probably okay. You don't understand. But yeah, so. Boy, you hit me with a water bottle. This kid hit me with a water bottle. But yeah, anyway, I will, I got another vlog coming up, by the way. It's, we went to a session I haven't uploaded yet. I've already edited it, but I gotta upload it, and it's gonna take forever to upload. No. What did I say we did? Oh yeah, that's right, a photo session.
Which one?
The one at the beach in Virginia Beach? No.
Oh.
Yeah, we went there. Yeah, no, we went there. Yeah, we got something in the channel. You didn't on the shelf. It's all good. Yeah, bye. Whatever, you know what it is. But why did I do that? Anyway, yeah, I gotta go move a door now. So. Yeah, I kinda do. Alright, whatever. See you guys in a bit. Where is this? Right, get out of my shot.
Majestic.
Get out of my shot.
Majestic.
Boy. Look at you. But, why am I filming this? I'm gonna end the vlog here because apparently the helicopters and planes want to keep continuing to screw me up. So you know what? See you guys in the next video. You know what we do. Peace. Psych.
Oh my god.